Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a job that one of your grandparents did. What was the job about? Was this only the one job she or he did? How you felt about it? One of the most fascinating roles in my family's background was that of my grandfather. He served as a schoolteacher in a small rural community, dedicating the majority of his life to educating young learners. His responsibilities extended beyond teaching subjects such as math and literature. He also aimed to mold the minds of the future generation. He firmly believed that education was essential for success and devoted himself entirely to his pupils. Since the school was located in a rural area, a lot of the children came from disadvantaged backgrounds, and my grandfather ensured that no student felt marginalized. He frequently provided free tutoring after school and even assisted their families in recognizing the value of education. He had jobs other than teaching. He had been a clerk in a government office before he became a full-time teacher. But because there was little human interaction and a lot of paperwork, he didn't find the job enjoyable. He quit that career to follow his love for teaching since he had always wanted to truly impact society. He took on other duties in addition to his official position as a teacher, such as planning neighborhood activities, mentoring children, and even assisting adults in the village with their reading and writing. He was well respected in the community for his commitment to his work. Every time I consider my grandfather's work, I am filled with inspiration and pride. I appreciate him even more because he decided to dedicate his life to educating others, which is one of the noblest occupations. I have frequently heard tales from villagers who still hold him in high regard and attribute their achievements to him. I have learned the value of hard effort, kindness, and unselfish service from his dedication to his work. I would love to make a similar contribution to society if I ever get the chance. I've always been inspired by his narrative to value educators and recognize the influence they have on people's lives.
For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.